If there's anyone out there who doubts the power of ChatGPT, I just want to show you this little demo I made in about an hour. So this is me asking ChatGPT to help me make a video looper. Now it took a couple iterations, about 7 iterations of going back and forth and pasting the code over here into VS Code. Let me show you what this does. So it starts up 2 windows. Over in this window, I'm going to press 1 to start recording. I'm going to move my head around like this. I'm going to press S to stop recording. And look at that. It's made a little video loop of what I just did. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to record another loop on channel 2. Move my head up and down like this. Then hit stop. And as you see, it's just playing them together. It's a video looper. Now I'll go over here and I'll press 3. Move my head around like a headbanger. And it's just playing them. I didn't even notice if it's seamless or not, but now we'll do number 4. In and out and in and out and in. Stop recording. Look at that. This is now a video looper. This whole program is 117 lines of code. Okay, I did this on a dare to myself because I was like, Python is too slow for video, it'll never work. So I asked ChatGPT and it said to use the OpenCV library. So it works. Some earlier versions, it made a single class, and I had it split the classes into 2. So there's video stream handler and a frame manager. That's it. And then it's actually uses multiple threads. And I had to go back and forth a little bit to get it right, but it wasn't terribly hard. This is bananas. And now I'm going to tell you why I did this is you've seen my videos where I play myself playing multiple instruments. That takes a lot of time to edit and to rehearse with yourself. So I thought, what if there's actually a way just to record, like you do with an audio looper? And I looked around on the web. I couldn't find any good video looping software. So I think I just made it with ChatGPT and 117 lines of code. So now I'm going to add audio to it. Is clearly the next step. I'm just sort of shocked. I mean, notice this doesn't even save anything to disk. This is all just in RAM, all these frames. I don't know how much it's using. I mean, I got the task manager stats up, in Windows, and Python. It looks like it's using 1% of the CPU to do this. Only 360 megs of RAM. That's kind of unbelievable. So that tells me it could probably handle me performing like a 3-minute song, 4 tracks of a 3-minute song. So anyway, had to get this out there. Okay, that was pretty neat, but I have to admit, while I was looking at that, was just editing that video down, I noticed that while I was recording, the other streams were not playing in the background, right? So what did I do? I just asked ChatGPT to fix it. Check this out. I told it, very, very nice, ChatGPT. Only one thing. Can you make it so that while it's recording, it still plays the other videos in the background? And it said, to allow the other streams to continue playing in the background, when one stream is being recorded, we can modify the code so that during recording, the other streams will continue their playback, and only the selected stream will append new frames. Here's the updated code. So I copied it and pasted it, and now let's try it out. I'll press 1 to start recording. Stop it. And now I press 2, and that stream is still going. And we're recording on channel 2. Press stop. And now we'll record on channel 3. And now we'll record on channel 4.